Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Discover account statements for Recordkeeping. To begin backing up your Discover account statements, start by opening your web browser. Type www.discover.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the Discover homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on Login to access your account. Enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. Then, click on the Login button to proceed. After you log in, navigate to the Statements section of your account dashboard. You may find this under the Account menu or as a separate option. Select the statement period you wish to back up. You will see a list of available statements for that period. Click on the statement you want to download. This usually opens a PDF version of your statement in your browser. Once the PDF opens, check that the statement is complete and readable. Next, locate the download icon, typically found at the top right of the PDF viewer. Click on the download icon to save the statement to your computer. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a save location. Select a folder where you want to store your statement. You may want to create a new folder named Discover Statements for better organization. Once you've chosen the location, click the Save button. Repeat this process for any other statements you wish to back up. After downloading all necessary statements, navigate to the folder where you saved. Review the files to ensure they downloaded correctly. It's a good practice to back up these files in a secondary location, such as cloud storage or an external hard drive. This adds an extra layer of security in case of data loss. Finally, remember to periodically check for new statements to back up. This habit will help maintain organized records of your Discover account activity. Now you have a complete backup of your statements for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.